So, do you know how to format your SD card? Because the SD card is inside the Neo, and you do need to obviously format the card, because once you've used up all the footage, you need to delete it. But I always suggest formatting the card, guys. Now, you can do this on your controller. This is your RCN3. I've got my RCN2. You can use it on that. Or you can use it on your RC2. But I think personally, it's just as quick to do it on your phone. So this is what this video is about. So what we need to do first, guys, is turn on the Neo first. So the Neo's on. We then need to go into the DJI Fly app. And we just wait until we get a connection, which shouldn't take long. So there it is. So we just press connect, join. Okay, so there we are. So, quite simple. You just go into settings. You go into camera settings. And then we scroll down. And you see right at the bottom, now I've used 14.7 gig, but I want to format it. So you just press format. Confirm. That's it. So we're back to 22 gig. Nice empty card. Nice clean card. Guys, when you delete videos, it's not properly clean. I always suggest that once you've downloaded all the footage onto your PC or your computer or whatever, or even onto your phone, is just to reformat the card. So you know you've got a nice clean card and you shouldn't get any problems. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. As always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.